Hi, I'm Poke Villalona with Stellar Fishing Tackle. Today we're just going to be making a stinger rig, which all it is, it's a 24-inch rig that's made out of course, 100-pound mono fishing line. And this rig is set up to where you're going to have a weight on top, a hook on the bottom, but you're going to have a little hook that slides back and forth, which is called a stinger. And once we put it together, we'll show you how that works. It's great for using live when you want to use, live mud minnows or perch or whatever. But that's what we're going to do. And to make this rig, you need your 100-pound fishing line. You're going to need a 5/0, and the hooks, you can make them to whatever to your liking. I like to fish with a 5/0. This is a 5/0 circle hook. This is a 3/0 circle hook. This is a 1/0 barrel snap swivel. This is a barrel swivel, a number 6. You've got 3 crimps. These are double barrel crimps, and 2 beads and your crimper. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the fishing line and we're just going to measure out 24 inches. We're going to cut it. Make sure you have sharp scissors because it has to go through your swivels. You take your through your crimps. You take your first crimp. You slide the fishing line through there, and you're going to put your number 6 barrel swivel in there. Fold it back in through the hole, and you'll see it protrude through the back. As soon as you barely see it sticking out, pinch it, pull back from the back. It closes up the hole. Give it some leeway so your swivel can go back and forth. And then you crimp it. Now once you crimp it, check it, make sure it's good. Then you're gonna run, you need 2 beads here. You run your bead. Now you're gonna get your snap swivel, your 1/0 snap swivel, slide it through there, put your other bead all the way through, and come in with your crimp. Now this crimp, although it's a double barrel crimp, you can still use it just to crimp it here. And when you crimp it, you see that it is secure. So this is what the top's going to look like. This is where your fishing line is going to come down to. And then this part is going to be at the top, okay? And what you're going to, and I'll explain why it's at the top. So then you come all the way down to the bottom. You take your stinger, you push it through the line. That's just going to free float. That's going to be loose. Then you take your crimp. This is your last crimp. You're going to put it in, slide it back through. Same thing, once you see it come out the other side, hold it, slide it. You definitely want to make sure this hook has a little bit of leeway, and you crimp it. Check the crimp, you're good to go. Now that right there, and the purpose of this little hook, which is called a stinger, is just going to go back and forth. And the purpose of that is, this is just a sample. This is an 8-segment little fishing lure that I have. But what you do when you're out there, when you have your mud minnow, your perch, whatever, you're going to put the big hook through the top, and that's going to secure the fish here. Then you're going to bring the stinger over here, and then you're going to attach it to the back, and then this tightens up, and as this goes through the water, and this is going to sit here. Now on this end, you open up your 1/0 snap. And now when you surf in the surf, this is a claw weight. The little claws hold on to the sand. But the purpose of this is having the weight on top is when it sits there, then you have your fish over here that's going to float around in the water, and it's secured on both ends, so it kind of makes it stand out. That if you're fishing on the river or the lake, you can put a pyramid weight. Serves the same purpose. So we sell these rigs, stinger rigs, at Stellar Fishing Tackle. And of course, we supply our tackle stores with them too. So, but the actual rig itself looks just like that. And that's your stinger fishing rig, which helps when you want to fish with live bait. So hope you enjoy the video. Hi, we're Poke and Stella Villalona, owners of Stellar Fishing Tackle. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hit the subscribe button and like our videos to make sure to watch future videos of us fishing, us making fishing weights, us showing you how to make the fishing weights,
us turning,
and with Chaka. So thank you very much. See you in the future.